AI coding agents are everywhere right now, but almost all of the good ones lock their best features behind subscriptions or expensive API credits. After testing a bunch of different options, I finally found one that's actually free. In this video, I'll show you how to install it inside Visual Studio Code, connect it to free AI models, and get access to more than 8 different models without paying for a premium subscription. We'll also test it on real coding tasks like writing code, fixing bugs, and editing entire projects. By the end, everything will be running inside VS Code on your computer. So, let's get started. First, open the link in the description and you'll land on this page. The AI coding agent we're talking about today is Amazon Q Developer. It's completely free to get started with and gives you access to more than 8 AI models. That includes multiple Claude models, DeepSeek, Minimax, GLM, and also a Qwen. The best part? You don't need to pay for separate API subscriptions just to try these models. There are usage limits, but they're generous enough for most developers. And if you also have an AWS free tier account, you can connect it here for even more usage. New AWS accounts may also qualify for promotional free credits, depending on the current AWS offer. Now, without wasting any more time, let's set everything up. Open Visual Studio Code, go to the Extensions tab, and search for Amazon Q Developer. The setup is a little different from most AI extensions, so make sure to watch until the end. Missing a single step can prevent everything from working correctly. Click Install. It only takes about 30 to 40 seconds. Once it's installed, you'll find the Amazon Q icon in the left sidebar below the Extensions tab. Open it and you'll be asked to sign in. Just click Sign In. If you don't already have an AWS account, create one for free. If you already have one, simply sign in and it will automatically authorize the extension and redirect you back to VS Code. After signing in, you'll notice 3 main sections. The first is Notifications. The second is Issues, where Amazon Q automatically analyzes your project and highlights bugs or potential problems. And the third is Chat. Open the Chat tab, click the plus icon to start a new conversation, and that's it. The setup is complete. Now click the model selector, and you'll see all the available models, including Claude Sonnet 4.5, Claude Sonnet 4, Claude Haiku 4.5, DeepSeek V3, 2, Minimax M2, 5, Minimax M2, 1, GLM 5, and Qwen 3 Coder. Let's put it to the test. For this demo, I'll use Claude Sonnet 4.5 and see how well it performs on a real coding task. I'm going to give Claude Sonnet 4.5 a prompt to build a complete AI SaaS landing page from scratch using nothing but HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's see how well it handles a real-world project. I'll paste in the exact prompt, hit enter, and let it do its thing. If you want to try the same prompt yourself, I've included it in the description below.
2,000 years later.
The generation is now complete, and here's the final result. As you can see, it successfully built the entire AI SaaS landing page from the prompt. Instead of going through every line of code, let's jump straight to the finished website and see what it actually created. Right away, you can see a modern hero section with a premium design, a floating navigation bar, smooth animations, responsive layouts, feature sections, pricing cards, testimonials, and frequently asked questions, and everything you'd expect from a professional SaaS landing page. Honestly, this looks pretty impressive considering it was generated from a single prompt. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more AI tools, coding agents, and tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and bye.